Hey, hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. For those who have asked an income source that will reward your time, this is a video for you. Even if you're a student or in working professional, if you're using some websites or tools in a regular basis, then this video will help you to earn active income. I will share a website today. It's g2.com. This website will reward you for spending your time sharing opinions of the products that you have used. I will share like how you can earn money by doing this. So this is a website that I'm talking about, and these are all the rewards that I have earned this month. And these are all the tools or products that I have reviewed recently. And for every product, I have earned around $20 or $25. All you need is 5 minutes of your time to review a product. That's it. You don't have to spend too much time. Like it might take 5 to 10 minutes of your time. All you have to do is like firstly you have to sign up. One thing that you should do is sign up with LinkedIn, because this is going to help a lot. Because if you sign up using LinkedIn and you have an active profile with all those skills that you know, maybe if you say that you use Canva, maybe if you say that you use Workday, like you will get an opportunity to review these sites, and for each successful review you will be paid $10 or $20 after confirmation or after moderation. So this is a very simple way but an effective way to earn money online without spending too much time. Sometimes you'll also get rewarded for free tools as well. It's a simple and straightforward way. Sign up for g2.com and sign up with LinkedIn, so you will get an opportunity to write reviews. Sometimes you'll also get notified in LinkedIn for special offers. Sometimes you will get $20 or $30 for review as well. So this is how you can earn money using g2.com by writing reviews. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more such amazing content. Thank you.